We're all part of the head office support team here at Revive.
And this is Revive Under the Spotlight.
What is your unofficial role title at Revive or within your team?
Unofficial role, if you like, is if you need something, everyone's probably got it. In one of my drawers or in my cupboard somewhere.
Yeah. The problem solver. So like, you got a problem, you'll ask Sam, and it's not necessarily because I know the answers all the time, but I have a kind of a knack for figuring things out.
You're very approachable.
Yeah, I'd like to think so.
I can't say what I was gonna say.
I know exactly what you're about to just say. No, you can't say.
No, it would be something to do with sarcasm, like sarcastic
Sally.
something. Sarcastic Sally, yes.
I've never been called that in my life.
I'm the whiz kid, I think. I'm the tech kid. Well, Jack called me earlier, ChatGPT.
DJ.
Yeah.
You know any song?
I don't know, I could be the organised one, but
Yeah, the organised one.
keep everything aligned.
I'm probably the car guy in the office, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. People come to me with their car problems or if they're looking to buy a car.
Overthinker or stressor. If there's something to stress about, I absolutely will stress. So that's probably mine.
Yeah, you get stressed thinking about what to eat for lunch.
Yeah.
I have no idea, but if I had to put a guess on it, I'd probably be the one that comes in and ruins all your days because I ruin all your planning when we've got new trainers coming in.
Keep everyone on their toes with what kind of hair I'll come in with next.
Very true. I'm
Beyond?
very jealous.
Pink.
Yeah.
What is it called? The token hipster.